Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. And today we are trying some drinks that we see at the store quite often. Last time we tried some different flavors of chips. So now it's drinks. We probably should have did that video together so we could wash it down. But anyway. Today, we're going to start with ESY. I don't know if it's supposed to be SE or ESY. And this is strawberry and lemon. Strawberry and lemon.
I'm telling you, everything he got is lemon.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, everything.
Ready? Definitely not carbonated. It's actually pretty good.
Nope.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. It's artificial flavor.
Okay, well, I'm gonna
go ahead and sip the rest of that up.
Put some sugar in. I'm gonna drink this later. This is actually pretty good. It almost tastes like those, what are the tea? Is it Fuse or whatever they call it?
Fuse tea? Yeah. No, Fuse tastes better than that. Inanitos? Inanitos. Is a grape flavored drink.
Great drink.
It's low in salt, it has no sugar, and no fat. There you go. Okay, that one's not bad. It's not as good as Fanta.
I don't know if any grape soda is as good as Fanta grape soda, honestly. So this isn't bad though.
Is there another grape soda in the States?
Yeah, you can get grape Shasta, grape.
Oh, I never had grape Shasta. If it ain't Fanta, I just.
She's too fancy for Shasta. So thumbs up, thumbs down.
Oh, this one.
Thumbs up. What was the last one? I gave you the last one.
I said thumbs up.
Thumbs up for the last one.
Yeah. Okay, so you're next.
This is one we see a lot. And this is Fiora Venti. And it's apple flavor, manzana.
Apple flavor.
And of course, just like the last one, it's low in salt, no sugar, and no fat. I'm not sure if it's carbonated, but let's see. Yeah, got a little fizz.
Okay, so you said it's apple flavor?
Yep.
All right, cheers.
Okay. That has a weird flavor. You remember when you were a kid, and at some point you've tasted Play-Doh. To me, that reminds me of the taste of Play-Doh with like a hint of like weird apple
syrup.
And like some kind of artificial sweetener.
No. Thumbs down.
This is a thumbs down. These are really inexpensive, but I see why.
So Steve got something called Pony. Pony Malta. So is this a malt drink?
No, but it says Energia Natural. So it's got natural energy.
It's medium in sugar, low in salt, no grease, no fat.
Well, maybe that means it has actual.
It got a pony on here, so is it gonna be like a Red Bull?
I don't know. We'll see. But they don't sell them in big bottles, so I don't know.
And this is a very small bottle, y'all. Like this. It's very small.
All right, let's crack it open and see.
I want to give you a comparison. A juice box. So it's very tiny. Oh yeah. It smells like molasses.
It's a sign of quality.
No, sign of...
That is carbonated, carbonated, thinned out molasses. That is literally what it tastes like.
Yeah. It's so thin, but it's terrible.
I wouldn't even say it's terrible,
It's
but like
thin, but it's terrible.
if you like the taste of molasses, you probably like this.
Yes,
Molasses ain't ain't exactly something I'm really fond of.
I don't like molasses. Didn't like molasses.
My grandmother used to love molasses.
It's like that cane sugar back in the day in the blue in the brown bottle. Cane syrup, that's what it was. Cane syrup. It had a blue wrapper, and my sister loved it.
If you like molasses, this is carbonated molasses.
Thinned out, watered.
Watered down, yeah.
Yeah, watered down. That's a no for me. Thumbs down.
Excuse me. Okay, next.
Oh, I don't even know where you get the energy from that. It was the
Well, it's because there's so much sugar in it. It's
Well, you don't even taste it. It's like it doesn't. The sugar doesn't. It's not high in sugar. Like molasses is really, really sweet.
Yeah, but what's it's thin down, so yeah, you probably will get a little energy from it, a little bump.
A bump.
Okay, so this is Fruit Limon, and it was right next to the Sprite, so I'm assuming it just tastes like Sprite. Low in sugar and low in salt, no fat. Ready?
Not bad, but you definitely could taste the.
Artificial sweetener?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's mainly what I taste. This Sprite is definitely better than this.
Oh, that's terrible. That has a long.
It really does have a long
lingering
lasting
aftertaste.
sweetener taste, yeah.
No. You be saying something no, and then you steady be drinking. Oh yeah, thumbs down. So we're gonna start with, since we already had apple. So juice comes in a little carton like this, but you can get them in a big one. They're liter size.
Yeah, and that especially in that particular brand, Pulp.
Yeah, Pulp. They have other brands. It's Apple Nectar. It has vitamin C, D, B6, and B12. Contains calcium. There's no preservatives. It's medium in sugar, low in salt, no fat. We got.
Yeah.
It's only one. It's okay.
It's nectar, so it's thick.
Yeah.
It's kind of thick, and I really like it actually.
Yeah. Nah.
Yeah.
It's not that. Well, I will say this: if I was a kid, yes, I would drink that because it's sweet. It does taste like apple. Let me.
Pulp brand Nectar de Manzana.
Yeah, it's thick. It's thick. Nah, not for me.
Next, we have Pulp Nectar de Durazno. I can never say this correctly. Nectar de Durazno. Medium in sugar, low in salt. It's got vitamin C, B12, and B6. So I'm assuming this is going to be even thicker than the
Yeah, and it has no
apple.
preservatives. That was my thing.
So
That tastes really like peach, like a peach off a tree.
yeah, like it's squeezed peaches.
Yeah,
basically.
It's almost like if you cut up some peaches and you blend it, no water, nothing, you would get this flavor.
Yeah.
So
that's actually really good.
Thumbs
And
up
pretty
for
thick.
me.
It's thick. It's nectar, so it's thick.
Yeah. So this is Pulp Orange. This is the orange juice.
Nectar.
Orange nectar. It has vitamin C, B6, and 12. No preservatives. Medium in sugar. Low in salt. No fat. Now I've tried another brand, and it's really good. It's not Pulp.
The orange juice you can buy here is delicious.
That is it. All day.
Oh,
All day. All day. Two thumbs,
two thumbs
up.
up.
That orange juice is really good.
The last one of these Pulp containers, we have mango. Nectar de mango. Same stats as the other ones, medium sugar, low in salt.
Vitamin C, B, and
Yep. C, B12, and B6. So
apparently it's good. So you do.
that's good. It's not too thick. It's not too sweet. It just tastes like mango. Like
Exactly.
it should.
Yeah.
Like it should.
Tastes just like a mango. So, yeah, that is really good.
Yeah.
Okay, so last but not least, I have no idea how to say
You've seen this particular juice box, even though it is.
How do you say that? Usitos? You don't say H.
Usitos.
You don't say the H.
Usitos then.
Okay, Usitos. Usitos grape flavor. It says it's a grape drink, not a juice.
Not juice.
Yeah. Medium in sugar, low in salt, no fat, and it's by Nestle. So
Paper straw, isn't it?
yeah, this is by Nestle, so you don't know what you're gonna get. All right.
It's definitely grape drink and not grape juice.
So, if I had to compare, Welch's still beats that.
Oh, way well. Welch's is actually grape juice though.
Is it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Well, it definitely tastes more like, yes, it is, because you can actually make wine with Welch's grape juice.
Either way.
That vaguely
Welch's,
tastes like it.
It vaguely, yeah. It's like a hint of juice. Not saying that it's bad. And it's not overly sweet. So I feel like you wouldn't mind having your kids drinking it, not on a regular basis, but if they like grape flavor drink, that would be an option.
Or just get the big gallon jug of grape drink. I don't know if they sell those here, do they?
I've never seen a grape drink.
I've never seen.
So,
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
I'd give it a thumbs
I'll
up.
give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
It's a decent little drink. You wouldn't want to drink a jug of that.
No. I don't drink juice on a regular basis because it can cause your blood sugar to go up. But these are very, very good
Yeah,
juices.
most of these were pretty good.
All of these were 37 cents.
Anyway, that was the
Drink portion
drink portion of our taste testing. And we will be back real soon. If you like this, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
And if you came across a particular drink here in Ecuador that you would like for us to taste,
Let us know.
leave a comment leave a comment below.
So, thanks again.
Bye.